class 3, you can take out your English grammar now. So we are doing chapter 6, page number 29, the pronoun, right? We finished till up to here. We'll continue from the examples, okay? So there are multiple kind of a pronoun. That is, what number one is personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Okay, so personal pronoun, we are doing personal pronoun. So personal pronoun is that which is used for person or a things. Okay, so in personal pronoun there were first, second and third person. First person refers the person who is speaking, जो बात कर रहा है, that means me. Okay, मैं जो बात कर रहा है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट पर्सन. सेकंड पर्सन जो मेरे बात को सुन रहा है अभी. ओके, यानी कि तुम, you. Understood? First person is me who is giving lecture. Second person is that person who is listening right now, and third person is that which we are talking about. जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो थर्ड पर्सन होगा. ओके, okay. Examples. You can see the examples. I went to Kanpur last year. So I is the first person. Okay, I is the first person. You are a teacher. So you, that means you will be your second person. They are staying with my uncle. They. So they. Okay, they will be your third person. Understood? So what happened is first, second and third. Okay, so फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बात कर रहा है, अभी बात कौन कर रहा है? मैं, है ना? कौन सुन रहा है? तुम लोग क्या हुए? सेकंड पर्सन. थर्ड पर्सन वो है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, यू कैन सी द टेबल ओवर हियर फॉर योर क्लियरेशंस. स्टडी द फॉलोइंग टेबल. पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. सिंगुलर, एक में, ठीक है? एक में सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल वो डिफरेंशिएट किया है. ओके, डिफरेंस बता रहा है कि कौन सा वाला सिंगुलर है एंड कौन सा वाला प्लूरल है. सो सिंगुलर में आते हैं आई, माई, माइन, मी, यू, योर. ओके, फर्स्ट पर्सन में आते हैं आई, माई, माइन, मी, मैं. ठीक है, जो बात कर रहा है सिंगुलर फॉर्म में. प्लूरल फॉर्म में वी, आर्स, अस. सेकंड पर्सन जो सुन रहे हैं वो यू, योर्स. प्लूरल फॉर्म में यू, योर, योर्स. थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सिंगुलर में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? ही, शी, इट, हर, हिज, हिम. तो प्लूरल में दे, देम, देयर, देयर्स. ओके, दे वेंट देयर, दे आर प्लेइंग कहते हैं ना हम, ये प्लूरल फॉर्म है. ओके, these pronouns can be used as a subject, object or to show possessions. ये जो pronouns है, okay, these pronouns, जो pronouns है वो क्या कर सकते हैं, ये पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या कर सकते हैं, ये सब्जेक्ट भी और ऑब्जेक्ट भी, और टू शो possessions means ownership, okay, belonging, understood. जो एक सब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है, ऑब्जेक्ट भी हो सकता है, या फिर कोई चीज़ वो पर्सन का भी हो सकता है, ऐसा करके, अंडरस्टूड. काइंड्स ऑफ केसेस. सो काइंड ऑफ केसेस में, okay, in which situation we can use this particular types, understood. So there are 3 kinds. कितने kinds है? Nominative, possessive and objective. So in nominative case, we use names, okay, we use subject for an important role, okay. When a personal pronoun is used as a subject of a sentence, it is in nominative case. So whenever we use whatever the subject in important role, it will be nominative case, okay. You can see the example. They run fast. I went to see the circus. So they is a subject, right? I is a subject. So these were the nominative. Possessive case, when a personal pronoun is used to show possessive, it is in possessive case. So it is connected with personal pronoun, okay. When the personal pronoun is used to show the possessions, it is in possessive case. It is belonging things, okay. The subject is there, but the things or stuff belong to the subject. It is called possessive case. For example, Kishore broke his leg. So his belongs whom? His means Kishore, right? They respect deer belongs they, right? So it is belonging, okay. So objective case, when a personal pronoun is used as an objective of a sentence, it is in objective case. So when a personal pronoun used as an object, as a thing of a thing in a sentence, is called objectives, okay. Example, give these books is a thing, is a object, right? Books denotes an object. Likewise, the teacher punished them, okay. So these were the objective case. So till up to here, we'll continue in our next class, okay. Do your homeworks complete and try to learn at home, okay. So I want very good marks in your first term, understood. So till then, goodbye everyone.